Here's how to make a techno banger. Make a 16th note pattern with a saw wave and whatever this is, literally just notes every quarter beat. Then add these effects, and modulate the filter cutoff with some envelopes and LFOs. Use an OTT on the mixer track to make it sound even fatter. Now let's add a kick drum, not these kicks. It has to be an unnecessarily loud techno kick that completely destroys the track's dynamic range. Now we have a problem. The kicks and bass both clash in the low end of the frequency spectrum. The solution? Sidechain. This ducks the volume of the bass when the kick hits. Vocal time. I chopped this vocal up. Then added a serum effects. I then used this LFO to adjust the volume of the vocal and also the reverb wet signal, giving this fluttering sound. And of course sidechain. Vocal phrase time. Choose the most generic sounding vocals. No, but seriously. You could also add leads. This is the techno lead. Oh, I forgot the top drums. Here's a top drum loop because I got a little lazy. Here's how it sounds with the kick. And let's just throw it all together. And that's how you techno. The full track is on all platforms and linked in the description. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.